JNTV. Hello my people, now we don't come again with our bonge to read. Yes, as we talk, we will follow up on what did happen for Edo State regarding the APC and PDP crisis. Yeah, we just get information now. Say the APC primary election they don't hold down today, and information when they reach us now talk say the Pastor Izeyamu don't finally pick the APC ticket, and let me say now you go to contest with Governor Obaseki of PDP. And so we know everybody knows say Pastor Izeyamu as he entered the party, there can be some confusion when he say Oshomole not can grant Obaseki it can disqualify Obaseki from contesting for the primaries. So that one can make Obaseki vex and it can go back to PDP. So now
hello. Let's everybody come out.
Hello viewers. A wonderful morning. It's indeed another bright day, and we're right here. Presently, I'm right here in Oriomo, Onigbe community. Ward 8 to be specific, and this is my ward where I've come to cast my votes in the ongoing primary election for the gubernatorial election forthcoming in Edo State, September 19. We are here right now, and we are maintaining social distancing as the primary election is ongoing, and it seems to be one way already. Everybody is kind of already picking Pastor Sagi Izeyamu as the next governor of Edo State and the sole candidate of APC to contest the September 19th governorship election in Edo State. So I will just give you a clue, right, so you can see before they start spreading wrong information that we are not maintaining social distancing. Unlike the governor who was not able to maintain social distancing recently, where it was the campaign from APC to PDP, we all saw him breaking the rules and guidelines of NCDC. So that's not what we are practicing. We are practicing NCDC guidelines over here in Onigbe. So I will show you how normal people behave right now. This is it. This is social distancing. Social distancing. You see it? And they are all with their party card. They are all with their party card. Social distancing is being practiced. So anything you hear apart from this, it's null and void. They are practicing social distancing over here in Onigbe. And it's 2020-ish. Yeah. Before you see these people. You see these people on the queue, they are just 20-ish. After this 20 set of persons, after they are done voting, the other set will come in. So this is the way we are doing it over here. Little gathering of not more than 20 persons. That's what we are practicing over here in Onigbe South. Alright, now they are leaving. The next 20 persons will come in now. You know? So you can see what I'm talking about. We don't just talk, we act. We act and we don't break rules. We are not rule breakers. We don't break the laws. POR everywhere. Onigbe, POR everywhere. No two way, it's one way. POR, next governor. This is the son of the soil. Next governor, POR. We are reporting from Onigbe. Live. Orion, POR everywhere. That's the Saron. We are waiting for September 19th to crush down the governor. Crush down the governor. Democratically. Free affairs. Knock it down. POR everywhere. These are the people of the state. Everywhere. POR. Nothing is wrong. Family elections are ongoing. One way. POR. POR. That's what Onigbe.
out of POI, nothing is up. I need God worldwide.
POI Onigbe.
POI
Onigbe. Over here, Onigbe. Nobody has decamped.
No, we are not the
PDP.
APC.
We don't decamp over here. We are still in APC. And come September 19, we'll be going to the field to vote, to exercise our franchise as Nigerians. You know, we are going to be voting for APC. And you know, so over here right now, all you have to do is to queue behind POI for the office of the governor of Edo State. So please kindly share this broadcast before the agents of darkness, agents of spoilers, before they will start saying negative things as concerns the come mama, come mommy, come yeah, I'm loyal. He really laughing you. So we are saying okay, next 20 persons are they are entering they are queuing now. I think they are queuing, okay, they are queuing already and they are already counting. So we have ANEC officials here who are already casting their votes. These are the next 20 persons because they are casting their votes for their preferred candidates. And after this, we'll be having the next 20. Don't sir. The next 20 will be coming on board. So after this one. Okay, see, you can see. Let's count. Oh, yeah. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, they're up to 20. Okay, the next 20 persons are coming on board right now. The next 20. Yeah. They are pushing me.
So they tell them that they raise their card before you they go online. We are still on board though.
No. No. Just share already. It's just for you to add this as the lesson going. Just to click the link. So after this now, we are going to do a march for POI in Onigbe. We're doing a mass march for Pastor Osage Ezeyamu in Onigbe after this voting exercise. We are going to be streaming it live too. You all are going to be seeing it. Courtesy of Nedogama. Courtesy of Nedogama. You can see it. Nedogama. Courtesy of Nedogama. We are in the 18 local government of Edo State. And in Nedogama, we are supporting Pastor Osage. This is my own card. This is my own card, which I'll be using to vote for Pastor Osage Ezeyamu. So we don't just talk. We don't just talk. We act. Understand? So we'll be waiting for the main election. Waiting for the main election to finally cast our votes for All Progressive Congress (APC). There's no PDP over here in Oriamo. We don't have PDP in Oriamo. We don't have PDP in Onigbe. Understand? So if you are watching this, kindly share this broadcast. Kindly share this broadcast and join me in the next 45 minutes. In the next 45 minutes, so you can join us as we go on a live march for Pastor Osage Ezeyamu. There's no PDP in Oriamo. there's no PDP in Yoningbe and there's no PDP in Edo State.
It's pure everywhere.
PO everywhere.
Everywhere. Pure.
Everywhere is pure. So I can say APC is the party. Thank you very much, and please kindly share this broadcast to correct some impression. Thank you very much.